So you guys, I got some stuff from Whole Foods. The essentials, of course. Lime and lemon sparkling water. We've got the bread for avocado toast. Fettuccine noodles. These are really good with Asian food, actually, also. Some pasta sauce. I got this mix because I'm gonna make egg rolls. So I got egg roll wrappers. These are vegan egg roll wraps. And then I'm gonna put this slaw. It's got like broccoli, carrots, cabbage. You know, the essentials for an egg roll. I've got my favorite fruit spread of all time, the Crofter's Organic Super Fruit. Got some booch. This is the Organic Brew Doctor Kombucha. This is the Love one. It has lavender, chamomile, and jasmine. And then the all too famous Elixir Kombucha. This is the lavender lemonade. She's local. And orange juice because I like orange juice. Oh yeah, and avocados. Can't have avocado toast without avocados. And all these 12 items can be yours for the low price of $36. Shop at Whole Foods today. So I thought I'd do a little room update. My desk. She's still kind of a mess, but cleaner. You can hear my mom singing. Deepest, sincerest apologies. I moved my lamp over here. I really like this lamp over here now. I realized I don't know why I had it on my freaking desk. I don't need a light over there. I need one here for when I read. Also, side note, I couldn't sleep last night, so I read half of this book. I started reading it over again because I hadn't read it in like 4 or 5 days. So 2 hours and I got that far. Great book. If you haven't read it, it's beautiful. Elio's a little freak. But anyway, yeah, still working on what I want this to look like. But yeah, I moved the lamp over here. I really like it over there. That is still a mess. Gotta figure out where that's going. I keep all my equipment for like filming and taking pictures and stuff in this corner, as well as my yoga mat. The stuff that I use to make like all of my sprays, everything that I make is over here. That is the same. My shoes. Oh, hey, ankles. I move this cart over here and it makes the space bigger being over here. And I just have like my jewelry, my glasses, hair stuff. I need to clean that out. I actually want to consolidate all of this. And I need to clean this out. It's a mess. I have CDs in here. We've got Lord. Can we talk about Yes 1D Midnight Memories? Yes, Up All Night. Fun fact, when this CD came out, it's like the original back in like what freaking year? It was like 2011 or something. I had my mom drive to like 3 different Targets to get this because it was only available at Target, I think. Was it Target? It was Target. It was only available at Target, and I had my mom drive to like 3 different Targets to find this freaking CD. And I have the freaking yearbook edition, the Take Me Home. I actually went on this tour, and my mom bought me the yearbook edition album for Christmas, And my cousin Brandon and I, we used to tell each other, like, we used to always buy each other Christmas gifts. Ew, look at me. But we used to buy each other Christmas gifts, and we would tell each other what we wanted so that we basically knew what we were getting each other. So he bought me one and my mom bought me one. So obviously I kept both. I was a Wendy's stan. Like, I love them. But I keep these in here because, like, I'm never getting rid of these. I don't know. This one could be worth some money one day because it's still in the packaging and everything. But for now, they stay. There's all kind of random stuff in this drawer. Like, I don't even know what's in this drawer. But yeah, we gotta keep the One Direction CDs. Like, oh my god. She can leave though. How did I have this in here? Okay, we'll figure that out later. But then this, yeah, I don't know. That's just gonna be like that for now. And then gotta go through this, and I have clothes in there that I need to go through, and I need to figure out where I'm gonna put my hamper now. And then under there, I just have shoes and some bags. But she's coming along. She is coming along, slowly but surely. All right, guys, for dinner, I haven't cooked in a long time, but I made Alfredo with some Brussels sprouts and some green bell pepper. I made butternut squash too, but now that it's there, I don't want it. And then I've got Parmesan cheese on top. And a liqueur. Oh, this is my last liqueur.